Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Time check. 4:10 in the morning. And the weather for today is hallelujah. Baliktad pa. 7. So, mamaya, ang highest is 15. So, everyone, today is April 2, Wednesday, everyone. And, ayun, aray ko. Lugtol-ugtol na naman ang lakad ko kasi summer. Pagod ang paa sa kalalakad, everyone. So, that's it at the moment and see you later. Wala namang ganap ngayong Wednesday. At yun, stay for good sa bahay after my work. Ayun lang. See you when I see you. Let's walk in 15 minutes. 15 minutes walk and one bus, everyone. Ayan yung aking OOTD of the day. And bye-bye and see you later.
Yung haba niya? Oo.
Good morning! Ano yung kut mo? Eto, may bilihan na dito. May tinda na. Ayan, breakfast tayo, everyone.
Tapos ito, tinastas ko na.
Time check. 9:02. I'm going home, everyone. Yeah. Drop here. Passing by here. Passing by here at museum. A lot of museum. Natural history museum. Wildlife. Now open. Look. Oh. Huh? Go free. Wow. Wildlife photographer of the year. John Smith. Ayan, uwi na tayo, everyone. Ganda, no? It's a park. It's a park. Park here in Natural History Museum with where is the dinosaurs? They take it off, the dinosaurs. There's a big dinosaur here before. Yeah. Yan lang, everyone. Bye at the moment. There is the dinosaur. It's just skeleton na. Ayan siya. Sa tagal. O, diba? Ang ganda. Dito tayo sa Natural History Museum. Yan. Morning, everyone. 10:32. Going to Kilburn. Kain tayo everyone for lunch. Kakarating lang. Kakarating lang everyone. While watching Team Blended. Good afternoon everyone. Time check. 3:40 everyone. So I'm going. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Kainitan ng araw everyone. Grabe. So, medyo mahangin. Mahangin na mahangin. Kaya, ayan. Dito tayo sa tabi-tabi. Mangilid-ngilid. So, init everyone. Ayan. So, see you again later. After work at afternoon tonight. And, yeah. Grabe. And, bukas ay mag-pedestrian tayo ng maliit. Mini pedestrian everyone. So that's it. And that's it. And that's it. Ayan. It's here already. Ay, ang dami puno everyone. Ay, see you when I see you.
Kain si Mama.
Good evening everyone. Kain tayo ng aros caldo sa gabi. Ayun lang everyone. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina pa uwi. Gusto ko nang umuwi kasi tired of at malamig. Giniginaw na naman ako. Ayun lang everyone. Good night. God bless. And I love you all.